Hello and welcome. My name is Eric Bosha. I am the product manager for low vision devices at HumanWare. In today's little video, I will be demonstrating the default values when toggling to distance viewing using your Reveal16. If you are using the Reveal16 in contrast color when reading a document and you decide to toggle to distance, the distance view will switch automatically to true colors and zoom back to 1x. So then you can use your distance camera either to zoom in or zoom out in your image. And then when you toggle back, your contrast settings will be kept for viewing your document. But as soon as you toggle back to distance, it is set to true colors and you're back down to 1x so that you can orient yourself using the distance camera. Thank you for listening.